Okay, so here's attempt number 2 to actually be on camera and showing you how I made these cupcakes, unicorn cupcakes. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to add the dimension to our cupcake. We want to leave some room on the top so we can attach our ears and horn. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and paint or cut this out first, and then we're gonna paint it in gold. Or you could trace the horn out of gold metallic paper, so you don't have to worry about painting it. I'm sorry again about the car noises. One more ear. Alright, we're going to flip these over so we don't see the pencil lines. Grab yourself a piece of scrap paper so you can paint your horn. Put that off to the side so it can dry, and then we're going to paint the inside of our ears as well. You can do this in pink as well if you prefer. I love using this watercolor brush because I just kind of clean it as I just squeeze the water out. Okay, we'll put those off to the side so they can dry a little bit and continue working on our base. So you want to make sure that when you attach the top part of the cupcake that it lines up really well. And then we're going to do the bottom, and you're going to need your fiskar scissors so it looks like a cupcake, and you want to make sure that you're cutting it straight. And we're also going to add a dimension on that base. You can pick any paper that you want to do your base. I think it'll look really cute, whatever you choose. And again, make sure you line that up as best as you can. Position that just a little bit. Squish it down. There we go. And then while we're waiting for our horn and ears to dry, we're going to add the cheeks. And I'm just going to be using these watercolors. You could also use watercolor markers. You could use Cupcake markers. I personally like using watercolor and watering it down because it gives it a really cute effect instead of being like super bright pink circles on the cheeks. And I love the cupcake dye that I use because it gives these little puffs on the side that look like cheeks. Put that on there. just a tinge. You know, just how you apply your makeup, you don't want to have too much blush, just the right amount. And usually I would take this to my dryer and blow dry it, my hair dryer, or even like you know, those little, the ones I use for embossing, because I get impatient, but that's fine. We can wait for it to dry a little bit while I pick my flowers. And I think it would look cute if we did some purple and maybe some blue, because it's got like that little like space cupcake liner. That one's chipped. Already have some here on the side. Probably need one more. Or a couple. And then we'll grab some of the blue. Go. We want to add some glue on the top, like a line where you're going to attach your flowers. And you can use those little tiny flowers. I think that would look really cute. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using the sequins that I got from Michael's The Countryside, I believe, or Country Table, and I got those at a really good deal. Attach those. You kind of want to overlap them a little bit. That looks nicer when you do some layering. It sounds a little funny. Those down a little bit so that they can dry. Okay. And let's check on our ears while that's drying a little bit. So yes, that's pretty much dry. That's why I like that Martha Stewart gold metallic. It dries pretty quickly. There we go. We're gonna add the eyelashes while we're waiting for the flowers to dry a little more. There we go. Right now it looks like just a really cute cupcake. You could actually, while I was recording the first time around, before I noticed that I was off camera, it looked really cute because all I had was the horn attached, and it looked like really cute cupcakes with a candle on there. So that's another cute idea that you could do for like a birthday mail. So let me show you. So we'll attach that. So we want to attach it right in between the two layers of the cupcake and attach it to the top layer on the back. But if you see, doesn't that look really cute? Like you could add like a little flame or something on there. And I think that would look really cute for some birthday mail. And yes, we're still drying over here. In order to save some time, you could do this on your own, in your own time, let things dry properly or depending on the glue that you have. But in an effort to save time, I'm just attaching them. And you want your ears to be pointed up and closer to the horn because horse ears are more close together and perked up. You don't want them too much to the side because they'll start looking like cat ears, which there's nothing wrong with cat ears. Again, make sure they're nice and perked up. The little alert ears. And there you have it. That's how you make your very own unicorn cupcake. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Hit that bell if you want to be notified for future videos, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!